This black bear cub was found abandoned and was reported to the Inland Fisheries and Wildlife Department for the state of Maine. After an examination, such orphans would usually be turned over to a zoo, but not this cub. He'll be placed with a new mother bear as part of an unusual program of bear research. For 10 years, biologists from the Wildlife Department have been keeping tabs on the bear population of the state. When the weather allows, they do their work from the air, since much of the northern part of the state has no public roads. The antenna under the wing picks up the signal from radio transmitters in special collars that have been placed on more than 50 bears. Each summer, a few more bears are added to the program by catching them with a snare. A drug is loaded on a long pole called a jab stick, which allows the biologist to safely inject the drug before the bear can get loose. When the drug takes effect, the team can safely handle the bear. 2 methods are used to identify a bear. These ear tags are one. Another is to tattoo a number on the inside of the bear's mouth. They take the bear's measurements as well as blood samples for other scientists to investigate how bears can survive their winter sleep when their kidneys do not remove wastes from their blood. Finally, all measuring and weighing is done, and the radio collar is put on. Soon, the bear will be back to normal, unharmed by the experience. Because so many bears have been fitted with radio collars, the biologist can take the orphan cub to the location of a hibernating female. The cub is kept warm inside the scientist's jacket. With the radio tracking gear, they can pinpoint the mother bear's den. When they find it, they place the orphan inside. The bear cubs remain awake during the winter to nurse from the sleeping mother. They check to see that the cub is okay before they leave. At the lab, there's lots of work to do during the winter. Examining teeth taken from bears killed by hunters, for instance. From a thin section of tooth, the biologist can accurately determine the bear's age. This information helps to get a better picture of the state's total bear population. Now, however, it's time to check up on the orphan cub to see how well he's doing. The same procedure is followed. A jab stick is prepared, and they dig through the snow to get to the den. After injecting the mother, she's hauled out and placed on a thick blanket to keep her warm. Inside, 2 cubs are awake. One is the orphan. The red ear tags identify him. They note that he's gained weight, meaning that he's been accepted in the den and has been feeding normally. After being checked in the usual way, the mother is taken back into the den to join her cubs. So far, several orphan cubs have been placed with foster mothers. It's all in a day's work for the biologists and volunteers in Maine's unusual bear research program.